Queensland authorities are pleading with motorists to stay away from flooded roads after a man was swept to his death in the state's southeast today. The area was hit with more than 300 millimetres of rain since yesterday morning, causing flash flooding. After several wet weeks, the ground is saturated, with more rain expected tomorrow. And the Weather Bureau says the system could intensify into a cyclone off Fraser Island.
With torrential falls of more than 300 millimetres, residents in towns like Glenwood had no time to prepare for flooding. A local man was swept away after his four-wheel drive was caught in the torrent.
I saw the car over there and it's sort of like, I thought, oh my goodness me, what's that car doing in there? And it stopped and it just got taken away by the water.
Authorities are now warning people to stay out of the water.
It is not worth your life to drive through any floodwaters. It is much easier to wait until the floodwaters have passed and roads are open.
More than 300 millimetres of rain fell today in some parts, cutting roads in the Bruce Highway, the major transport route to North Queensland. Hundreds of motorists are stranded.
My freight's worth too much. Yeah, I'm not going through with that.
Already food is in short supply. Residents were forced to evacuate their homes and authorities have set up 6 centres throughout the region to help people who won't be able to get home tonight. The low-pressure system that dumped all of this rain has moved out to sea. The Weather Bureau says there's a 20 to 50% chance it'll develop into a tropical cyclone off Fraser Island tomorrow morning. If it does, it'll be named Cyclone Koji. The Bureau says it's been 18 years since the last cyclone developed off Hervey Bay. Emma Pollard, ABC News, Glenwood.